So you're interested in learning how to make goat milk soap, but you have no idea how to get started. You've been looking for a place to give you step-by-step instructions on how to get started with this process, but you just haven't found it. Let's see what we can do about that today in this video. Confidence is a huge piece of determining whether someone will actually try making soap or not. If they have confidence that they've got good information, they understand the process enough to know what those first couple steps are, then they are going to have the courage to give those steps a try. Make that first batch and see what happens. But if they don't have confidence in their information, if they don't have clarity in what they need to do and in what order, then they're not going to have that courage. And maybe even the opposite is true. Maybe it's a source of anxiety and frustration, and they're going to talk themselves out of even giving it a try. If soap making has intrigued you, and this is something you've been thinking about for a while, likely you have already done some of the research. You've probably been on Pinterest, looking for soap making recipes. Maybe you've watched other videos on how people are making soap. Maybe you've gone shopping at your local gift shop and looked at the soaps other people have made to get some ideas of what they're putting in it and what it would look like. So you've probably done a fair amount of exploring that way. But something you'll realize about all these sources of information is that most of the time they're for inspiration. They're not a tutorial. And sometimes they don't even agree on what the process should be. And there's certainly not a step-by-step plan for how to get you started making soaps. When that's the case, you have no clarity. You don't know how to get started. You don't know what steps to take first. So zero clarity, but that means you also have no confidence. And when you're in that situation, typically you are overwhelmed, you're confused, you're probably frustrated by having done this research and still not knowing where to get started. And you just like, how are you supposed to know what to do in that situation? People who are stuck in that spot typically will talk themselves out of making goat milk soap or soap in general. And if they've probably talked themselves out of it multiple times and maybe even for multiple years. And it doesn't need to be that way. Learning is the first piece of soap making that you need to get in place to help you down this path of getting started. It's the key piece because there are some things that you need to know about this brand new thing. Now, let's be honest, soap making is not everybody's normal, and it is not like a lot of the things that we do normally in our life. This is a brand new thing, and we need to do some learning and have some understanding about what's going on here to breed that confidence that we know we're going to be okay giving this a try. You need to find a trustworthy information and that's organized in a step-by-step process so that you can have clarity. Because when you have clarity about the process, when you have your questions answered, and then you'll know where to get started, then that is going to breed confidence. And with that confidence in your information, confidence in knowing not only what step you need to take next, but what the next few steps are going to be, confidence in knowing kind of how this is going to turn out, then you will have the courage to try those first few steps, try that first batch, see what happens, and see if soap making could actually be something that you really enjoy. To help give your learning a boost, since learning is the first thing you need to have in place, we've prepared a download for you that you'll find in the comments below this video. The download is called 10 Common Questions People Ask About Soap Making. So I encourage you to download that freebie, look through it, see if your question is one of those 10, and then find the answer you're looking for on just whatever your questions are about soap making or specifically about goat milk soap making. In our next video, we're going to dive into the topic of soap making chemistry. Now, don't let that freak you out. We're not going to, dive back into high school chemistry class. Well, maybe just a little bit. But there are pieces of soap making that you need to understand so that you can be confident that you know what to expect, but also that you can just anticipate what this is going to be like, because lots of people assume that soap making is very similar to cooking, and it's actually nowhere close. So let's dive into that. I will see you in the next video.